Hey everybody, Landry here with Landry IT. Today I wanted to talk about server maintenance. Not always the sexiest of issues, but it is very important because all of your data is on that server, so making sure that everything's up and running properly is vital to your organization. Such maintenance involves constantly monitoring and continuously analyzing how the server is functioning. This way, if anything happens to the server, you will know right away and be able to quickly fix the problem before it affects your work. In addition to paying attention to your current needs, server maintenance also includes preemptive measures. You want to keep your servers protected and updated before something goes wrong. Preemptive maintenance not only reduces future server issues, but also prepares your network in the event something does go wrong. Regular maintenance includes data backups. That's a huge one. Business continuity is another big subject that we can touch on at a later time. Software updates and patches, including antivirus, security reviews, temperature checks, server cleanings, similar to the updates on your computer that ideally you don't ignore and just say update later. Those updates are there for a reason. There's cybersecurity patches that need to be put in place in order to stop the hackers from getting in easier. Likewise, some of those updates break things sometimes. So what we can do at Landry IT is vet out the updates that aren't exactly running smoothly and basically just throttle them and push them out once they are ready to be updated and tried and true. So if you have any servers that need to be maintained, if you have any issues that are just ongoing, if your server's sounding more and more like a jet engine these days, please give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. And thank you and have a great day.